Hey guys out there, this is George coming to you, and we're going to do a quick review of Brandify. Go over what it is, how do you use it, what will it do for you, and will it help you make any money? And I've got some bonuses there, and stay for that. You got to check that out because there's two types of people that make it successful in affiliate marketing. Some do and some don't. And later on, I'm going to tell you the difference on those two types of people. So here looking at Brandify, this is the members area here, and it's really kind of nice. Now, what Will has done here, Will and his buddy, Will I know from online, so I've kind of, had some interaction with him and all that. So what is this whole Brandify thing about here? It's when you have a business, you need to brand yourself. Like, let's just say Coca-Cola, all right? You know that. Apple, you know that. Google, you know those logos. They've branded themselves. And that is something that you want to do. Like this Brandify here, this is a brand. And so they have an in-depth training, a lot of modules on how to use a lot of different free software out there and free assets that will help you put a brand together and start to brand yourself. So this year, it's a time-tested, proven method for developing a recognizable brand. As I said, Apple, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, all those, they're all branded. And really, any marketer, even you or myself, you should learn how to make a logo and brand yourself so that way it's just nice, it's easy, and all that. And if you look at one of my brands, the GP down in the corner of my YouTube video, that's a brand that I've been using for some time. Yeah, I think I should update it. I got inspired. I went through all this stuff and it was really kind of nice. So really, what does this stuff cost? It's 10 bucks. So that is, I mean, for $10, that's really a no-brainer. There's an upsell for $47, which is like done for you products. They've got a whole package of done for you stuff. You just put your stuff in there and you modify your own logos, and then boom, you've got sales presentations, videos ready to go. You've got all that. And then this other OTO number 2 for $97, that's resell rights, where you could resell this whole program to somebody else. And that's what we're seeing right now a lot in the in the industry. So some bonuses here I want to go over now. I got bonus X here, and I put it right before bonus number 1. And I want to tell you why. Because when you brand yourself, you really have to think about getting people's attention. And yeah, okay, you'll have a cool picture and all that, but something that they're going to talk about in this members area is, some text and how to put your logo and brand and stuff like that. I mean, even a book, if I can find a book around here somewhere, um, you get a book. Just go ahead and here's a book. Hold on, guys. Like this book right here, okay? This book right here, it's Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself. That's a headline. What the headline is designed to do is to get you to read the next line after that. And the second line is to get you to read the third line and so forth. Now, yeah, here is a brand, all right? It's a logo. This is Dr. Joe Dispenza. This is a really good book, by the way. God, I hope I didn't run it out. But anyways, headline, and then, this headline is meant to make you to read this, to read that, to read that. So what I'm getting at here is that you, as a marketer, if you're building a brand, if you're building whatever, you've got to have compelling headlines. Without headlines, people are going to say, oh, that's a cool logo. Then whoosh, they're going to go. The logo, which they're going to teach you how to build, has got all kinds of color and all kinds of cool stuff and all that, and how to put some text in there. What the text says is important. You've got to have that, okay? So there are some secrets here on how to write compelling headlines from six-figure copyright users. So this will be included. Even if you get the $10 one, you're going to get this here for free. It's worth really a whole lot more than $127, but that's what we've got it at right now. Okay, let's just start here now. Bonus number 1, the next one, you're valued at $427. This is from zero to hero. It's an access on how to get started in affiliate marketing. This next one here is 5 instant cash strategies. One of the other things they're going to teach you here in this Brandify is how to build a list, how to set up a sales page. Again, they're not going to tell you what to write on there, but they're going to tell you how to do it. And these instant cash strategies is a strategy on how to get more money out of people. So you get somebody because of your logo, you write some compelling headlines, a couple lines of copy, you bring them in, bam, they're ready to go, and then you can grab more money from them and sell them more stuff through this strategy. So the next one here is 2,500 email swipes. You're going to start getting a list. When you start selling people, you're going to get a list. You're going to be building all that up, and having these email swipes it's an asset. So valued at 267 over here, Aurora. What this does here, it automates webinars. So if you're teaching anything, if you are an expert at affiliate marketing, let's just say cooking, fishing, gardening, any kind of that stuff, any of these webinars, how to do something where, hey, how to do all this stuff here, and it'll make it easier if you buy my stuff. That's what Aurora is going to do for you. Number 5 over here, all the bonuses that they're going to include with your Brandify membership here. Now, all these bonuses are included. Doesn't matter if you spend $10, if you spend 100, they're all going to be included here. Here's me. You can check out me right here down there in the bottom. And so this is delivered on Warrior Plus. So if you have no experience with Warrior Plus, when you click the buy button, of course, you'll just click one of these orange buttons here. I should have said that earlier. But that's how you get it. And then you go over to in the YouTube description down below. I'm going to have to make another video on that. In the YouTube description down below, click on Get Brandify and the bonuses, and you'll come to this bonus page here. From this bonus page here, you can click on one of these goldish yellow boxes, and then that will bring you over to my insane bonus bundle. And then from there, so this here is delivered on Warrior Plus. And so once you click on here and you go to the sales page, and you go to the sales page and you click here and get all that stuff. So what happens then is that you buy it, you're going to get a login for Warrior Plus. You access your purchase by clicking the green button, get your bonuses, then you'll get this with the blue button, and then you'll be able to get all of these custom bonuses from me. Now, let's have a look on the inside here. I'm not going to go through all this, but there are extensive number of videos that go over about like premium tools, okay? And they have links. Let me go to where the links are at. So over here, like if you want to link to Commission Gorilla, that's fine. But there is, I saw it because when I clicked on them all. Here, links for mock-ups, book covers, Canva, color pick, all these different things that he's telling you how to use, that Will's using, showing you step-by-step hands-on on how to use. And then all the way down on the bottom here, you're going to have from James Kennedy, which is right here. This is a 12-minute deal. And this guy basically went through an entire thing, created everything you would possibly need, and put it all together for you. And now James Kennedy is an expert. So it would take me just a little bit longer. I could probably get it done he did it in 12 minutes. I could probably get it done in 20 or 30 because I'm particular. So maybe you get it done in 30 minutes for yourself, and then you get better as you go, as you learn how to use all the different methods that are taught here. So that's it. I think this is a great deal here for $10. I mean, you can't go wrong, really. Sales page is the sales page. You can go on that whenever you want. 30-day money back guarantee. So, everything's good here, man. There is a short video if you want to watch that video. It should have been in here somewhere, but I guess it's not. Anyhow, you guys have a good day. Go make some money and go check out the offer. Click on the link. Thanks a lot. Bam!